Welcome viewers to a very short video on luggage tags used by hotels. Uh, we are using a sample from Vivanta by Taj, and the first thing I think you need to notice is a unique feature that they have two different colors for the luggage tags. This one, as you can see here, please follow the cursor. This is used for departure and this is used for arrival. Another unique thing about this luggage tag is this here is mentioning that it is front office copy, and the second one it says it is bell desk copy. I'll zoom it for you. Bell desk copy, and this one is front office copy. This is again unique because normally the traditional luggage tags, the lower half, which is called the counterfoil, is handed over to the guest. But here uh, it says it is front office copy, and this one it says is the bell desk copy for departure. It is possible that this could have another part which is not visible. Maybe the guest copy has been detached and it's not with us. So I do not know. When you go for your own industrial training, I'll request you to please find it out about this new method of tagging luggage. It must have a logic behind it, which I at present fail to understand. Let us just quickly look at all the entries on the luggage tag, starting from top. A cute little photo there. It says its arrival tag, luggage tag, the hotel's name, the location of the hotel, and of course the brand by Taj. Vivanta by Taj is a very popular brand of upscale hotels in India. And then luggage tag, this is luggage tag number 31366. And the same number will also be found, of course, on the counterfoil on the lower half, 31366. The entries are guest name, guest room number, number of luggage, and date. This tag was added to a customer's bags, suitcases, briefcases. The lower half has almost same entries: guest name, guest room number, number of luggage, date. But it does have one more entry called name of the associate. So this could be the bellboy's name who has issued this luggage tag and attached to a luggage. And now let us move on to the next tag. Let us see what are the entries there. Zoom. Similar, color is different. The tag is there. The cute little photo is also there. Departure, Vivanta, location by Taj. Luggage tag number 16801. Then guest name, guest room number, number of luggage, date. It says departure once again. And this is the unique thing about this. It says it is a bell desk copy. So counterfoil, which normally is the guest copy, but here it is mentioned it is bell desk copy. So this thing needs to be explored by all of us. I'll try to find out. And another difference you will see here is that apart from guest name, room number, luggage, number of luggage, we have entry for car number. So that makes things very tidy, very neat. This guest is departing, so naturally he will take either their own car or they'll take a cab from the hotel. So whatever cab they have taken, whatever cab travel desk has allotted to them, and if they are coming, if they are visiting in their own personal car, then that number has to be entered here. So what this does is it makes misplacing of luggage impossible. If it is done carefully, then it's a very smart way of tagging luggage in hotels. So that's all in this presentation on luggage tags, Vivanta by Taj. Thank you for watching. Thanks to my students who trained at Vivanta by Taj and who were permitted to bring these tags back to the college so that we could show it to the first year students uh, how hotel documents look like. It also gives them an idea about the procedures, what are the important entries, why we have maintained these data. So it gives you a feel of the standard operating procedure followed by the hotel for various tasks. Thank you very much once again and have a pleasant day. And keep watching these videos. There are more to come.